Imagine a world where countless capable individuals are sidelined from contributing to society simply because they face unique challenges.
मैं 12वीं के बाद पढ़ाई नहीं कर सका। मैं फिर अपने सोचा कि जॉब कहाँ करें। हर कंपनी में देखा, हर जगह पैर में हैंडीकैप होने की वजह से जॉब नहीं मिल पाती थी हमें।
मैं जब हुआ था तो मैं नॉर्मल था। पतंग उड़ाने के लिए मैं एक दिन छत पे गया और वहां से नीचे गिर गया। तभी से सुनने बोलने की शक्ति चली गई। डर लगता था कि मैं क्या कर पाऊंगा।
Recognizing these challenges, Indian Oil Corporation Limited initiated a project called Divya Jyoti to light up a new hope to the lives of PWDs. As part of this initiative, they supported SCPWD, an organization working under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. The aim of the project was to provide industry-relevant skill training that would enhance the theoretical and practical knowledge of PWDs.
The core value of Indian Oil is to make this world more equitable for those people who are underprivileged. We do not look at these people as disabled, they have been differently abled. So the skill development organization helps us in choosing the people. They choose the right people, the right sort of training, and we in Indian Oil, we are providing with all the facilities.
We are always eager to improve the quality of life of especially able people, and that's why we took this initiative in cooperation with SCPWD to have this program called Divya Jyoti.
This initiative undertook the task of providing skill training to around 80 differently abled youth. They were all trained for job roles as customer care executives and retail sales associates.
मुझे एक नंबर से कॉल आया। मेरी फैमिली से उन्होंने बात करी और बताया वहां पे स्किल ट्रेनिंग होगा 3 महीने का नोएडा में। मैंने 3 महीने की ट्रेनिंग ली और ट्रेनिंग के बाद मुझे सर्टिफिकेट और 5,000 रुपये भी मिले।
After the training, each candidate was awarded a certificate at the convocation ceremony, which certifies their proficiency in their respective fields. This project can be deemed as a success, as almost all candidates associated with this initiative secured job placements. These jobs were facilitated by various corporate partners of SCPWD.
ट्रेनिंग करते ही तुरंत के तुरंत ही मेरी जॉब लग गई।
अभी मेरी जॉब कंपस ग्रुप में लग गई। किचन में मैं चॉपिंग कटिंग का काम करता हूँ। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और अब मैं यही काम करूँगा। थैंक यू।
जो बच्चे हमारे पास आ रहे हैं SCPWD से, काफ़ी वेल ट्रेन्ड कैंडिडेट्स आ रहे हैं। Since this entire skilling program was funded by the Indian Oil Corporation, I would like to express my gratitude to the corporation for such a lovely vision.
This is very successful. Now we are going for Pan India program. SCPWD से हमारी बात चल रही है. We are scaling it up further. In every region we want at least 5 programs we want to continue where we can do something more out of it.
IOCL's Divya Jyoti project is not only instilling new energy in persons with disabilities, but also illuminating their dreams.
मैं इंडियन ऑयल वालों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं कि मैं अपने पैरों पर उन्होंने मेरे को खड़ा करा और मुझे ज़रूरत दिखाई कि हाँ अमित, आप भी कुछ कर सकते हो।
I'd like to really thank Indian Oil team for this project. Apart from being diverse, the program also had a lot of new things that were tried here, and these could not have been done without the openness through which the Indian Oil team has embraced any idea that we have brought to them.
I really want to thank Indian Oil for the amazing efforts that they're putting in. I think hats off to you. You're truly being the role model that many corporates need to be. And I think, just by doing what you're doing, you're truly making India proud. So thank you.